Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We're still in topic 8, and today is going to be lesson 3. In this topic, we learned about coins. We learned about the value of different coins, such as dollars, half a dollar, 50 cents. We learned about also the dime, 10 cents. We learned about the nickel, 5 cents. We learned about the quarter, 25 cents. And we learned about the penny. We did different exercise, how to add the value of these different coins. Just put the total, put the value for each coin and add them together. We learned also about subtraction and how to subtract. So previous lesson, like if you have certain amount of coins total, then you spend in the market to buy something. Today, we're gonna learn and use the dollar bill. So let's start your book, page 337.
What is one way you can show 100 cents with coins? Use coins to model. Draw and label the coins you use.
All right. If you just go back and remember when we say half a dollar worth 50 cents, that's mean a whole dollar worth 100 cents. So if I want to use coins, I have different ways to use. I can use half quarter, which is like 50 cents, and I can use 2 quarters because I know each quarter is worth 25. So 25 plus 25, total 50. So 1 50 cent, half a dollar, and 2 quarters. Or I can use quarters and dimes and nickels, or even I can put 100 penny, which 100 cents. So this isn't easy. It's up to you. What do you have and how would you like to answer this question? It's just fun to have to draw the coins that you would be using. All right, so let's go for our video.
This is $1. This is the dollar sign. A $1 bill has the same value as 100 pennies. What is the value of this bill?
So this is $1, and we say that $1 has a value of 100 pennies or 100 cents. That means this dollar worth 100 cents. So $1 equal 100 cents.
The value of this bill is $1 or 100 cents. Here are some different kinds of dollar bills. Which bill has the same value as 5 $1 bills?
Select your answer.
All right. So this is the dollar bill, this is a sign for it, and its worth or its value for 100 cents. And this is $5 bills, that's mean 500 cents. And then this is $10 bill, and this is $20 bill. So the question, which bill has the same value as $5 bill? That's mean $5. One paper or one bill worth 5 of these. Very good.
You could trade 5 $1 bills for one $5 bill. Maria had these different types of dollar bills. What is the total value of these bills?
So I know that this is $1. I know that this is worth or value of 10. This value of 5. This is value of 20. Again, another 10 and another 5. So we can count from the greatest bill to the least bill. So I know the greatest is 20. So I can say 20. And after the 20, what's the next? It's going to be 10. So 20 plus 10 plus 10. And then I have the 5 another 5 and the dollar. So we have 20 plus 10, that's $30, plus 10, that's $40, plus 5, that's $45, plus 5, $50, and 1, $51. All right?
Find the total value of these bills by counting on from the greatest bill to the least bill. Maria counted on like this: $20, $30, $40, $45, $50, $51. Maria has $51. Why is it helpful to count on from the greatest bill to the least bill to find the total value of all the bills? It is easier to count on in order from greater amounts, like a $20 bill, to lesser amounts, like a $1 bill. Now you know how to solve problems using different types of dollar bills.
Great job!
So, when you organize and arrange the dollar bills or the money starting from the grade value, it's easy for you to add. So we have 20, and I can easily add another 10 or another 20 even. So 20 plus 20 equals 40, or 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 5, 45, 45 plus 5, 50, and then I have $1. All right, let's see what we have for the independence, for the guided practice, page 338. All right, Mr. Mark had these dollar bills. Count on to find total value. So remember, it's always easy and better to start with the greatest bill to the least. So that's what he has, and that's that bubble that give you the hint that start with the greatest number or the bigger value. So what do we have here? I see a dollar bill with 20, another one worth 10. I have 10, 5, and 5. So I can start with 20, 20 plus 10, that's 30, 30 plus 10, that's 40, 40 plus 5, that's 45, 45 plus 5, that's 50. So Mr. Mark has $50. So let's put this down. So we need to use a dollar bill sign. So we have 20 plus 10 plus another 10 and then $5 and another 5. And put equals. So 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 5, 45, 45 plus 5, 50. So Mr. Mark has total $50. All right, and let's put it down here. All right, let's see number 2. Miss Lenz has these dollar bills. Count one to find total value. Now I know that it's always easy to count starting from the greatest bill to the least bill. So I see 10, another 10, 5, another 10, and $1. So I'm going to arrange my dollars bill and add them starting from that greatest value or the biggest value. So I have $10. So I'm going to start with, this is the greatest number I have. I'm going to put my, so we have $10 plus One more. One more, so there's three $10. Very good. 5, the next dollar bill to use. Plus 5. And then last, I have $1. So I'm gonna add the dollar bill that we have. Plus 1. All right, so 10 plus 10, that's 20. 20 plus 10, that's 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus 1, 36. So Miss Lenz has a total of $36. Simple and easy and fun. And I put my answer here. All right. So today's lesson, we learned about the dollar bill. We learned that $1 is 100 equals or value of 100 cents. We know there is $5 bill and there is a $10 bill and $20 bill and $100 bill. But today we learn how to add. You starting from the greatest bill to the least bill, we learn how to add 20 and 10s and 5 and $1. All right, I will leave you with the rest of the activity in your book. Have fun. Thank you. Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are still in topic 8. Today's lesson 4. We're going to continue using dollar bills and add or subtract. We'll find out. So please open your book, page 341. Let's start. All right.
Billy, Sarah, and Maria have the same amount of money. Billy has a $1 bill. Sarah has only dimes. Maria has only nickels. How many dimes does Sarah have? How many nickels does Maria have? Explain how you found your answers.
All right. Let's see what information we have. Now we have 3 friends and they all have the same amount of money. One of them have $1 bill. Sarah has only dimes. So Sarah has only coins. I know the value of a dime is 10 cents and $1 has 100 cents. So $1 means 100 cents. I know that Sarah has all dimes and I know that each dime's value is 10 cents. So she has to have an amount of dimes that when I add them, it will give me the value of $1, which is 100 cents. And we have also Maria has all nickels, and I know nickels value for the nickel is 5 cents. So we need to find out how many dimes and how many nickels. All right, let's see our video.
Tammy has a $100 bill. She buys a game and a toy dog. How much money does she have left? First, add the cost of the game and the toy dog. There are 4 tens or $40. There are 6 ones or $6. The game and the toy dog cost $46 in all.
All right, so Tammy has a $100 bill. She buys the game and the toy dog. And we have the cost of each. The cost of the game, $25, and the cost for the dog, the toy dog, $21. So what are we adding? We're adding the value or the cost of the 2 items that she purchased. So we add 25 plus 21. So we add the tens together and we add the ones, and we know now total 46, right?
Then add up to subtract the total cost from $100. Start at 46. Add tens to 96. Then add 4 to 100. How much money does Tammy have left?
Select your answer.
All right. So I know that Tammy spent $46 in her two items that she bought, the game and that toy dog. So I know that she has 46. She spent 46. In total, she has $100. So now I'm counting from the 46, counting on all that way to the $100 that she has. So 46 plus 10, that's 56. Another 10, 66. Another 10, 76. 86, 96. I know from 96 to 100, I need only 4, so $4. So I'm not going to have a big jump for towards $10. It's going to be only $4. Then what to do here? As usual, we count the steps or the jumps. So how many steps or how many jumps did we take? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 4, 54. So let's see if we did a great job. Awesome.
The sum of the jumps is $54. So Tammy has $54 left. $100 minus $46 equals $54.
So as you see, it's good to know the value for the money you have, and then you can use all the different strategies that we use when we add or when we subtract to find out how much you need to pay and how much you have left. So that's exactly what we have for this lesson. Okay, let's go and see our guided practice. Page 342. All right. Sam had some money in his wallet. He went to the carnival and spent $12. Now Sam has $5 left. How much was in his wallet before he went to the carnival and spent this amount? So this is, as we know, you put all the information, you see what information you have and what information we're looking for. So I know that Sam has some money, but I don't know how much. He went to the carnival and spent $12. Now Sam has $5. So I know two parts, but I don't know the total. I don't know what he start with. So what I'm going to say that $12 minus plus 5. So $12 plus 5 equals 17. That means Sam has $17. He spent $12, means 17, take away 12, and that's why we have $5 left. So now I know that Sam went to the carnival and he had in his wallet $17. He spent $12 and now he has $5 left. So I break all the information I have. I see what information I need to find, and that I can do my equation. So I know that the total was missing. I know that one part was 12, other part is 15. So that's when I say the two parts or the two added together, they will give me the whole or the total. All right, let's see number 2. Morgan has $7. Her grandmother gives her a $10 bill and a $5 bill. How much money does Morgan have now? So this is easy. She has 7. Her grandmother gave her 10 and then 5. So I can see that this is one-step equation or one-step problem. I know that I need to add the $7 and the $10 and the $5 together to get the total that Morgan had. Let's put this down. She has $7. So let's put 7. And then her grandma gave her 10 and 5. So I'm going to say plus 10 plus 5. Now I know that 10 plus 5 equals 15. So I'm going to make it easy for myself. I'm going to say $7 plus 15. So, oops. All right, so 7 plus 15 equals, I can break apart the 7 to 5 and 2. So I'm going to say 15 plus 5 equals 20. And then I know that I still have 2 left. So 20 plus 2 equals 22. So the total is $22. So let's write, we have sign here, the dollars, I'm gonna put it here. So that was a simple equation or simple question. Morgan has $7. Her grandma gives her a $10 bill and a $5 bill. I added 10 plus 5 equals 15. Then I add the 15 to the 7. I break apart the 15. I break apart the 7 to 5 and 2. Make it easy for me to add. So 15 plus 5 equals 20. And the remaining 2. So 20 plus 2 equals 22. So now Morgan has $22. All right. So that was it for today's lesson. I'll leave you with the rest of the activity to have fun. Thank you.